Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 411 Carroll Hill Road in Fairfax. We're here to view this fantastic home. Let's go ahead and take a short look outside and see what we have here. As you can see here, we've got a colonial style home. Right next to it, we really have this really large 2-bay garage. Has extra storage space. Just going to give you a nice little pan around here. A very quiet setting. Love the neighbors next door. Got a couple of horses there, so if you love to be around, nice serene area, this is definitely the place that you'd want to come and see. Off to the side here, we're going to have the deck. Great way to enjoy the summertime, have friends and family over. As you can see here, you've got a nice amount of open space. Have a garden over here, so if you're a green thumb on hand, come check this out. Down over here, got the fire pit. So again, if you'd love to have people over and enjoy yourselves, this is definitely a nice place to be. Got some fruit trees over here. The other nice thing too is that you're so close to places like Steeple Market for grocery shopping. If you love to ski, you got Smuggler's Notch, pretty close. Short distance to get to Burlington. Water park, hiking, you name it. This is really a great place to be. So now that we've seen a little bit of the outside, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the inside of the house. When we first come in, you're going to take a look off to your left. You've got the cloak closet there, obviously the upstairs. What's nice about this too is that you've got this gorgeous hardwood flooring. And then let's go ahead and take a right, and we're going to get into one of the bedrooms that is downstairs. So if you're looking for first floor living, and of course you got a full bathroom right here. Great place. So again, if you have guests, first floor living, this is really a nice place to go. Got plenty of space. Of course you got plenty of natural lighting through here, which is always, for me, a nice fantastic feature. Pretty much move-in ready. Homeowners are doing a really good job of maintaining the home. Then we're going to come through here and let's check out this amazing living room space. Again, check out all this beautiful natural lighting you see through here. Got a brand new pellet stove installed last year. Great way to have some nice supplemental heat. And of course, when you go over here, come over, this is where the back deck is. Looks out over into the lawn area, which is really nice. And then we're going to pan around, give you a nice overview. Great thing about this home too is check out these really high ceilings. Open balcony area to the upstairs, skylights. Really just a gorgeous house here. Love the floor plan, nice and bright, cheerful and open. Come into the eat-in dining area. Again, got the bay style windows, and then check this out over here. You got this nice sunroom area, natural lighting, great area just to sit back and relax. Especially in the winter time, watching the snow fall, it's very relaxing. Give you another pan around through here into the kitchen area. You've got the breakfast bar, always a great feature. You got extra storage there for your food items, double sink. Got all the appliances. Everything here is just in fantastic shape. It's really going to be a treat for you guys to see. Okay, so now that we've seen a little bit of the downstairs, this is another nice feature too I like, is that you've got these French doors, so if you want to close it off, gives it a nice classy look to it. Okay, so let's go ahead, take a look upstairs. And again, I really like all the natural wood that this home has. Really adds to the features. So we come upstairs, just to kind of give you a different view. Here's that balcony here, and then of course we have the 2 skylights. Let's go over here. We've got one of the bedrooms. And again, love all the natural lighting. We've got the dual closets, hardwood flooring. Then you come over through here, and you've got a half bath. Really nice. Just kind of give you a view. And then we're going to move over here. I like this part a lot. It's really kind of cool. You've got the master bedroom on your left, and you've got this really nice open den area here on the right. So it's great for an extra place to hang out, office, workout area, take your pick. It's all really nice. And what's great here is, again, I love the classic look of French doors. Goes into the master bedroom. As you can see here again, you got the closet here. It's great. And here's another really nice feature too. You've got yourself a balcony here off the bedroom. Go ahead and check this out. What a great way to spend your mornings, afternoons, relaxing, taking in all the country views. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can see here too, you got plenty of room in this room. And you come over here and you have a walk-in closet. Plenty of space there. So then you come over here and you've got a nice little linen closet. And then we come in here and you've got yourself another full bathroom. Again, really nice shape. Everything's really ready to go. Always a nice feature. Now that we've seen the upstairs, we've also got a basement. Great place if you need some extra floor space beyond the garage area. So you get roughly a little over 4 acres of land, so plenty of freedom to do what you want there. Like I said before, very close to some really nice amenities. So now let's go ahead and take a look downstairs and see what we have here. As you can see, they've insulated all the walls, which is always a great feature. And down here, you have really a huge amount of space. So you can finish it off, make it into some extra living space, keep it as it is, and have a workout area. Really a lot of nice features here. Okay, so this is 411 Carroll Hill Road in Fairfax. Any questions, give us a call. Our number here is 802-825-1353. Or you can visit our website at catamountrealtygroup.com. There you're going to see videos and also the interactive Matterport 3D camera. And we also have a drone as well. Look forward to hearing from you.